Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between Robinhood or Revolut investing. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is, no platform is better than the other. Both platforms are great, I like both of them, but they are very different. It really comes down to your lifestyle, your investing goals, and how you prefer to manage your money. So, I will tell you on 5 topics with the differences today. Which application, which platform fits you the best? So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. The main focus on Robinhood is to do simple investing, and trading it was built from the ground up to make the stock market approachable for everyday people, with no complicated menus or overwhelming information. The main focus on Revolut Invest, on the other hand, is investing integrated with digital banking, because Revolut is also a bank. That means you can send money, exchange currencies, budget your spending, and invest all from one single app, which is a huge convenience if you're already living that digital banking lifestyle. Then, if you look right here to Robinhood, Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders. If you're opening your first brokerage account and just want to start buying stocks without any stress, Robinhood makes that incredibly easy. And Revolut Invest is the best for Revolut users and casual investors, people who already use Revolut for their day-to-day finances and want to add investing to the mix without downloading yet another app. If you look to the trading tools, Robinhood has basic charting and trading tools, clean, simple, and everything you need to make straightforward investment decisions as a beginner. And Revolut Invest has stocks, ETFs, and investing within the Revolut app, so while the trading tools are more limited compared to dedicated platforms, the big advantage is that your investment portfolio sits right next to your bank account, making it super easy to move money in and out. If you look to the interface, Robinhood is very extremely simple and beginner-friendly. The design is minimal, the buttons are clear, and you can place your first trade in just a few taps without feeling lost. And Revolut Invest is modern and seamlessly integrated with banking. The investing section flows naturally within the Revolut app. So if you're already comfortable using Revolut, picking up Revolut Invest feels completely natural and intuitive. Then, if you go to fees and trading cost, Robinhood has commission-free trading, meaning you can buy and sell stocks and ETFs with 0 fees per trade, which is fantastic, especially when you're just starting out and working with a smaller budget. And Revolut Invest has low-cost investing with plan-dependent benefits. So depending on which Revolut subscription plan you are on, whether it's the free standard plan or a paid plan like Plus, Premium, or Mittel, the number of commission-free trades and the features you get will vary. It's worth checking your current plan to understand exactly what you have access to. So, if you go right here to my tips, and with my experience, many investors use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETF options trading, and beginner-friendly investing. It's a great platform to learn the basics, build confidence, and grow your portfolio at your own pace. And many traders use Revolut Invest for investing alongside everyday banking, stocks, ETFs, and convenient portfolio management, because having everything in one place saves time and makes it easier to stay on top of your overall financial picture. So, if you are already using Revolut, I can recommend you to use Revolut Invest. It just makes sense to keep everything under one roof and take advantage of what you already have. If you're a beginner and don't have Revolut, I could recommend you to start with Robinhood. It is very beginner-friendly, and it's one of the easiest ways to get started in the world of investing. But again, both applications are great, and you really can't go wrong with either one depending on your situation. So hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform fits you the best. If convenience and all-in-one banking is your priority, go with Revolut Invest. If you want a dedicated, simple investing app to start your journey, Robinhood is the way to go. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.